blessing you guys with another video featuring me. Just kidding. But if you're new here, hey, what's up? It's Naturally Nappy, and if you're old here, thank you so much for coming back and being a supporter. So today's video is about doing a protective style on my hair. I am going to do these mini twists all throughout my hair. I did this small section so you can see, well, not small, it was extremely big. I did this section here so you can see my beginning results. I didn't want to bore you guys with the beginning, but of course I have the remaining of my head, these sections here. So before we go any further, please make sure that you like, comment, you subscribe, and you share this video with anyone that would love to see this type of content. And yeah, thank you. So first, I will let you know the products that I'll be using, which is the entire Kinky Tresses line. I wash my hair with their shampoo and conditioner, and I am doing my twist with their coconut mango hair butter and their avocado infusion leave-in hair milk. I am using a rat tail comb to part my sections. I have me a spray bottle just in case that's filled with aloe vera juice and Jamaican black castor oil. My hair still is a little damp in these sections, but just in case I may end up in my last section and it's dry, I have something to spray my hair with. So yeah, we'll get right into it. So I will be starting with this section here. I will unravel the twist and I will moisturize my hair with the hair milk, and then I will do each twist using the hair butter. Using the Kinky Tresses line, I don't have to use too much of product. As you can see here, I am using, it can be a dime size, I guess if you mesh it together, maybe a nickel size. And I just massage that all over my hair and make sure that I try to make sure it get into my hair, and I could immediately feel the moisturization on my hair. I don't have to worry about adding in any more because that is more than enough for this section. Yeah. I will not put the mango butter on my hair now. I just use it once I start the twist. I put a little bit at the roots and I put a little bit on the ends, and it's usually enough to get into my entire strand. 2-strand twist. That's what I'm saying. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I put the leave-in milk on my hair already. It is there. Have my rat tail comb for detangling just a little bit. I detangle it once after I washed it, I detangled it, and then I put the conditioner on my hair, but just to run through for any last kinks. Yeah. And then I will start sectioning. So I will start here. And that should be enough for the first section. That's actually too much. I want them a teensy bit smaller. Yeah, that should be good enough. I part these sections, but I freehand the individual sections. And you can see the section I have here. I will take a teensy bit of mango butter, apply it to the roots, take a little bit more and apply it to my ends, and then I just run my hands up the section of hair I have, Try to massage it in as much as possible so that I don't have any white residue at the end. And I'll begin twisting. And then I twist my ends around to seal in that moisture. And yeah, this is my end result. As you can see on my ends, they are coiled up. Sorry if this is like really bad, I'm trying. This is coiled up and sealed. Boom. First one down and many more to go. Here we go. It's not really much to explain about this hairstyle. I do this every once in a while just to keep my hands out of my hair. I don't have to go to the shop and have to pay someone to do it. I just, take a lot of my time on the weekends. Add these to my hair, leave them in for about 2, 3, 4 weeks, depending on how I'm feeling, how my edges looking, and how moisturized my hair is. You can always do this style, leave them in as long as you like, wash them, style them, retwist the edges to keep them in longer. But I'm just doing this just to give me a little break so I can, honestly focus on school and less on my hair, as well as try to, get some length retention this year, hashtag retain length. And again, this isn't for everyone because it takes a long time to do. And I know a lot of people don't have the patience, but if you do have the time, you can add these mini twists to your hair and go about your week, go about the rest of your month and not have to worry about doing your hair. Maybe, moisturize here, wash there, style there, but think about it. You can easily take out the front, do some cornrows or some flat twists to the front to make it a little bit more versatile. I like doing these, and yeah. Okay guys, I am back, completely done. Let me zoom it in. Nice and full. Yes, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. I will use this as my protective style for as long as I can, just to keep my hands out of my hair. I love you guys dearly, but you are putting a strain on my edges, so we would just go with this style for maybe like 2 to 3 weeks. I will show you guys some extra styles that you can do with this and stuff like that. But yeah, this is my finished look. I just used all of my mango butter and I'm kind of sad about it. But you know, got my stash, so I'll be ready for when I need to use it again. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this. I hope you got some great ideas out of this. But yeah, this video is coming to an end. So please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.